How to grow zucchini in aquaponics. This is what we're going to see together in this video. Before, subscribe to the channel and get the free gift from the description of the video just below or from the corner, which is a free guide to help you to build your own aquaponics system and to manage the system in the best conditions. I am Jonathan from Melbourne Aquaponics, and my aim is to help you to grow sustainable, healthy and tasty food in your own backyard thanks to aquaponics. So today we're going to talk about zucchini in aquaponics. So zucchini is a fruit and they need a very wide range of nutrients to grow. So I made a special video previously about how to grow fruits in aquaponics, and I recommend you to watch this video because I explained you that to grow fruits in aquaponics, we need to have a system that is mature. That, you know, when you start aquaponics, the system is young, and the biodiversity in terms of bacteria, but also insects, is quite limited at the beginning, and it's going to increase with time. And same as the nutrients available in the system for your fruits. So the more biodiversity you have, and the more nutrients you have available for your plants. So zucchini is a plant that needs a very wide range of nutrients, and if you don't have enough nutrients, it's not going to be able to produce some nice fruit. So that's the first thing to do, is to make sure that your aquaponics system is at least 6 months, 1 year old to be able to grow fruits. Before that, I recommend to add to grow leafy vegetables such as spinach, lettuce, or those type of plants where you really eat the leaves. So once your system is mature enough, after 1 year or so, you can start to produce some fruit plants. So I'm talking about tomatoes, I'm talking about chili, eggplant, and obviously zucchini. So those type of plants, what I recommend to do, you know, they take a lot of space. For example, the tomato you see behind me, the tomato, I grow them in vine, and then I try to grow them outside of the grow bed, so they don't take all the space of the grow bed. That's the same technique we're going to use for the zucchini. The zucchini, that's a plant that is quite large. You see I got one here behind me. This plant is taking a lot of room, so if you plant it in the middle of your grow bed, it's going to take the whole grow bed, and you're not going to be able to grow much else. So what I recommend doing is to grow them in the corner of the grow bed and to let it fall on the side. In this case, it doesn't take much surface in the grow bed because you can plant all the other plants on the other side of the grow bed, you know, in the middle, and this one is just going to have the roots in the corner of the grow bed, and then it's going to fall on the side, such as this. So you see, it has access to a lot of light, so it can grow a lot of fruit, but it doesn't take much room in the actual grow bed. Because otherwise, if you grow this in your grow bed, you will be very limited in terms of biodiversity, in terms of quantity of plants that you're going to be able to grow in your grow bed. Zucchini is a sexual plant. They got some flowers that are female and some flowers that are male. And in order to get fruits, you need to make sure that you got insects that are going to go into the male flower and then go into the female flower to fecundate the female. Unfortunately, depending where you live, if you are in a city where there are not many insects, you may have some flowers that are not fecunded. So what I recommend to do is to do it by yourself. So to fertilize the flower, you just have to take a little stick, and you're going to come and go around the male flower, take the substance that is important to fertilize the female, and once you cover your stick with this substance, you can go to the female flower, and then you're going to fecundate the female flower. So that's very simple, but that's very important. If you don't do that, you are not going to have any fruit. So once the plant is fecunded, then it's going to start to grow a very nice zucchini, and it's very interesting to grow those type of fruits because they produce a lot. So if you have a very small system, aquaponics system, and you still want to produce and feed your family, zucchini is a very good way to produce a significant quantity of food. So now it's your turn to grow zucchini at home. So in the comment, please let me know if you have started to grow zucchini already, if you have some experience, if you had success or if it failed. Please let me know your experience. You know, in this video I talked about how to put zucchini in place, but in general for fruits I made a video about it again, and I talk about how to make sure you got the good nutrients for the plants. I'm talking about the minerals, I'm talking about nitrogen, but I'm also talking about the iron. That is very important. So watch a video about the fruit, leave me your comments in the comment section of the video, and don't forget to get the free training to build your own aquaponics system and to manage your aquaponics system in the best conditions from the description of this video just below, or from the corner of the video. You're going to find an eye like information. You can click on it and you can access to this free training. It's really a lot of good information to start aquaponics in the good base. So I hope you enjoy the video and see you in the next one. Bye bye.
So once you get access to the free training, you will arrive to this page. And here you will have a detail of different steps. And each time you got a video or some description to really allow you to build some strong knowledge and to know and to learn the basics of aquaponics to avoid any mistakes. So just enter your email address and you will receive access to this training.
So if you are new to this channel, please subscribe. I'm going to release one video every week.
Don't forget to get your free gift from this screen. You can also leave me a comment below the video, subscribe to the channel and see my last video. I really hope to see you soon and I wish you a fantastic success with aquaponics. Have a good crop!